Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to text string to fit in Excel. So let's start. So simply select the cell, go to the home tab. In alignment group, just click on this orientation option. When you keep cursor on this option, you can see the orientation name. Then click on this drop down arrow. Then click on the last option, the format cell alignment. Then you can see here the format cell dialog box is open. Then click on the second tab is alignment. Okay. After that, just in text control option, have a second option shrink to fit. Just click on this box and click on OK to shrink to fit the text in Excel. You can see here the text is fit in one cell here. If you bring back again, same process, select the cell, go to the alignment in orientation, click on the format cell alignment and untick this option and click on OK. And that's it. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.